The automatic sorting counting machine is the entire process of sorting and arranging the irregularly piled materials from being concentrated to being dispersed and then placed in an orderly manner. Core advantages: 1. Highly efficient and orderly, using rollers driven by multiple servo motors. Stacked materials are separated one by one and fed out sequentially using the principle of differential speed. The bag sorting speed can reach 250 to 300 bags/minute, completely replacing manual sorting. 2. Labor saving. Equipped with a large capacity storage silo, simply pour the entire bag of material into the silo, and the equipment will automatically feed it. 3. Highly compatible. Can adapt to small bags of different sizes and materials.